You guys, in today's video we are going to be tinting this taillight or this one. I don't know which one we're tinting, but we're gonna be tinting it, see how it comes out. We're gonna leave like this out. I think I'm gonna leave that whole thing out. Either that or just this piece. I don't know, but I'm gonna leave a piece out. So yeah, let's get to it, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm using. So I have this like tint spray bottle or something, but it has like water in it, and just normal little knife, and then some tint right here. It's not that dark. I put it up. You guys are. It doesn't look. It's not too dark. I mean, it's kind of dark, but not too dark. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna show you guys when I'm doing it, and then show you guys while it's on. So let's get to it. Okay. So I'm just gonna let it up real quick. Just gonna with the tail light. So I have to do this one. And then I'm gonna cut it out and stuff. I think it's how you're supposed to do it. I'm not sure. I need to cut some of this off. We're gonna use this one right here. I think this is what it is. This should work. So you guys can see how dark it is. And it's a pretty decent amount. I need to wait a little bit more. Hold on, let me move you guys real quick. Alright, talk about hard part. We gotta get this film off. Yeah. let me get my flashlight. Be quick. I mean, this is like the paint up there, so that's the paint. But this is the light. I'm gonna do this one in a second, but to be honest, I don't think it's that bad. I have to cut all the edges and stuff, but kind of dark. On. So this is what, yeah, a little side by side. That's tint. That's not tint, obviously. I'm from far away. I mean, for a first time, it's not that bad. And it's also getting kind of dark out. It's hard to see what I'm doing. And this helps doing this. Don't do it dry. Do it wet. I think everyone knows that. Put my phone there. That's better. So I'm gonna like cut the excess pieces off and like try and get this to look a little bit better. And then I'll get it back to you guys. I actually kind of like it now. It looks so good. That looks kind of good. For that shot right there, I say that's a good piece. I don't know if I'm gonna leave it or not, but if you guys, hold on. It's zoomed in right now. If you guys want to see me like wrap both back taillights, because that's. If you guys want to see me wrap all the whole taillight in some other stuff, or not wrap, I mean tint it. Like this video, comment down below if you guys want. Put yes if you do. Put no if you don't. If you don't like that look, say shoot, it's blurry. Oh, if you don't like the look, put no in the comment section. But if you like the look, put yes. And off that, I will see if I wrap the whole thing or if I just take it off completely. But I'm definitely gonna take this off because I only wrapped one. But this is like you can't see it. This is like a test because it's my first one ever. Like that's the first time I ever did a tint job, and that's what it came out to be. And it took me like 30 minutes, but that's what it came out to be. I think it looks pretty good. And that's not tint, no tint. I actually really like it. Oh, it's kind of crooked. Hold on. I like it. I mean, I like the stock red, but I don't know. I feel like if I change the blue, I don't think I'd like the red. I'd like more the tint. But, yeah. And this bottle right here helps out a lot. If it's dry, it won't do anything. So, yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys liked it, comment down what you guys want to see next. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. And if you guys want to see more tint, put it in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. That's the second time I said it, but it's fine. I'm not gonna spray that. The camera will be down low. See you guys in the next one. That's it. Let's go. Bye.